Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Paddock Card Scale Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for the likes, views, comments, thumbs ups. Really appreciate the support on the channel. Also, thank you to my subscribers and viewers. Support is really appreciated. So today's video is going to be so first off, I'll just give some background here first. So Mark, over at the Mediocre Modeler, built a gasser for Glenn. He sent it his way, and then, long story short, Glenn ended up sending Mark a kit, a gasser kit, and Mark received that kit and decided to pay it forward, and had a giveaway. Greg over at Grumpy Greg's Models and Toys won that giveaway, and then Greg decided to pay it forward as well, and I won his giveaway. So really cool. I got a package in the mail today. As Mark was saying in his initial video, he was really taken aback a bit and didn't expect the kit, and just expressed how thankful he was for this community and how awesome this community is. And I 100% agree with him. Great community, great support. Like, there's never anything negative that I've ever seen on my channel. I might have gotten one or two, but those are just like guys that aren't even from the community, right? Like, that doesn't even matter. It doesn't even faze me either. And I haven't seen very many of those, probably counted on one hand, those types of comments. And I've had my channel for over almost 2 years. So anyways, really appreciate you paying it forward, Greg, and willing to ship it up to Canada. I know that couldn't have been cheap, so I really appreciate you allowing me to participate in your giveaway. So I'm going to do a giveaway as well. I want to pay it forward. So there's only a couple rules for the giveaway. Is you have to have an active channel, model related, of course, be willing to pay it forward, and obviously a subscriber of mine. So I'm gonna open this up, and we'll turn this around, and we'll see what Glenn sent me, or sorry, Greg sent me. So Greg, this channel here, go check him out. You know, he's around just under 600. Give him some love, show him some support, let him know I sent you. And I'll also leave links to Mark, the Mediocre Modeler's channel, in the description, as well as Glenn. Thank you both for getting this ball rolling. I really love this idea, and I'm absolutely excited that I can participate in it. So I'll show you what Glenn sent me, and then I'll show what I'm going to send out, and I'll talk about that a little bit. All right? Okay, here we go. Thank you, Greg, again. Looks like he sent me some shoes. Hope he knows what. Let's see what size we got. Oh, he's not even going to show me the size. It's disappointing. Hope we got 10.5 in here. Really nicely packaged. There we go. Shop card, right on. Thank you, Greg, for the shop card. That's awesome. Greg, I have your address now. Hopefully I didn't... Well, I still got the packaging, so I got your address. So expect a shop card in the mail from me. Thank you so much. Here's the kit. Really nicely packaged. This will come in handy, this box. Probably throw my kit right in there. So this is sweet. AMT Super Boss funny car, Chevy 2 427 fuel injected drag car. This is sweet. I don't do a lot of drag or gassers, and the couple kits that I do have aren't complete. Check out that decal sheet. That's pretty cool. And then looks like we got obviously tires. I think they're half tires. Looks like. Anyways, I'll do a box opening on this next week sometime. Really cool though. So that's awesome. Thank you, Greg, so much. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate the words on the back. Kind words. So if you want in on the giveaway, just type I'm in. I'll run it for a week, and then I'll do the giveaway in a week. Hopefully next Friday. So with that, here's the case. So like I said, I don't have very many gassers. So what I really love to build is muscle cars. That's my jam. Absolutely love muscle cars. It's kind of like a day 2 muscle car build is absolutely what I love to build. So I'll change out, minor things, tires and stance and stuff like that. Maybe a custom color or whatever, but that's what I love to build. So what I am going to give away is 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda 426. So this is the Revel Muscle. Pretty common kit. Hemi, can't go wrong there. Doesn't really show much of parts. But an iconic car, absolutely, 100%. So this will be the kit that I give away. So if you want to get in on this kit, leave me a comment. And of course, please have an active channel, model kit building related. Be a subscriber, and also be willing to pay it forward as well. So with that, I just want to also extend my prayers out to anyone out there that may need them. I know a lot of guys are having issues, and send my family prayers out to their family. And yeah, with that, I will hope you guys have a good weekend, and pat out, model on. Thank you very much.